Fact: Queenstown is known as the adventure capital of the world due to its wide range of adrenaline-pumping activities. Nestled on the shores of the crystal-clear Lake Wakatipu and surrounded by the majestic Southern Alps, Queenstown, New Zealand, is a breathtaking destination renowned for its natural beauty and thrilling adventures. Often referred to as the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown offers a myriad of outdoor activities that attract thrill seekers and nature lovers from around the globe. One of the most iconic activities in Queenstown is bungee jumping. The sport was commercialized here by A.J. Hackett in the late 1980s, and the Kawarau Bridge Bungy, the world's first commercial bungee jump site, remains one of the most popular spots for this heart-stopping experience. Standing 43 meters or 141 feet above the Kawarau River, the bridge offers an exhilarating plunge that has become a rite of passage for many adventure enthusiasts. For those seeking more airborne excitement, skydiving over Queenstown provides a unique perspective of the region's stunning landscapes. As you freefall from thousands of feet above the ground, you'll be treated to unparalleled views of the Remarkables mountain range, Lake Wakatipu, and the surrounding valleys. The rush of adrenaline combined with the awe-inspiring scenery makes skydiving in Queenstown an unforgettable experience. Queenstown's adventure offerings extend beyond the sky. The Shotover River, known for its turbulent rapids and narrow canyons, is the perfect setting for whitewater rafting and jet boating. The Shotover Jet, a high-speed boat ride that twists and turns through the river's canyons, is a must-try for thrill seekers looking for an exhilarating water adventure. Winter transforms Queenstown into a paradise for snow sports enthusiasts. The region boasts several world-class ski resorts, including Coronet Peak and the Remarkables, offering pristine slopes for skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing. The diverse terrain caters to all skill levels, from beginners to advanced athletes, making Queenstown a premier destination for winter sports. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, Queenstown's natural beauty can be explored through hiking and biking trails. The Queenstown Trail, a network of scenic paths that wind through the region's lakes, rivers, and vineyards, offers a perfect way to immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes. The Ben Lomond Track is another popular hike, providing panoramic views from the summit that are well worth the effort. Queenstown's culinary scene is as diverse and exciting as its outdoor activities. The town is home to a range of dining options, from gourmet restaurants to casual cafes, offering everything from locally sourced lamb and seafood to international cuisine. The region's burgeoning wine industry, particularly its renowned Pinot Noir, adds to the culinary experience. A visit to one of the nearby vineyards for a wine tasting is a delightful way to savor the flavors of the area. In addition to its adventure sports and natural beauty, Queenstown offers a vibrant arts and culture scene. The town hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year, celebrating everything from music and film to food and wine. The Queenstown Winter Festival, held annually in June, is a highlight featuring a mix of live entertainment, street parties, and winter sports competitions. In summary, Queenstown is a destination that captivates with its breathtaking landscapes, thrilling adventures, and rich cultural experiences. Whether you're leaping off a bridge, carving through fresh powder, or simply enjoying the serene beauty of Lake Wakatipu, Queenstown promises an unforgettable journey that embodies the spirit of adventure and exploration. Join us on our journey as we uncover more daily location facts and explore the hidden gems of the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your own travel experiences with the Travel with Glen community.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure a memory we keep. Join the journey, share